Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Shubheksha Singh and I post videos on every Mondays. So guys, I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe at home. I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be all about a product that I wanted to share with all of you who are subscribed to my channel and all the people who are in the quest of finding a very nice product that can actually remove and fade away all the blemishes and the marks that are left on our faces after a pimple goes off. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing a product with you all that I've been using for the past 6-7 months, and it has been doing wonders for me. I know that there are a lot of home remedies that are available online on YouTube that you guys can follow to remove your acne and your pimple marks, but this is one product that has actually worked for me, and I'm sure most of you might not be even aware of it. And this is the best product of this brand that I've come across, and it really does what it claims for, and I would be telling you how that really happens. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and this helps you out, and if this product works out for you too as well as it does for me, please let me know on my Instagram guys, and please follow me there as well, because I post a lot of amazing makeup tutorials there, as well as a lot of makeup looks that I'm sure you will find really riveting. So guys, without further ado, let's just get down into the video now. So guys, I really wanted this product to be a secret for people to really come on my video and see what I've been talking about. Otherwise, I would have showed it before my intro. But guys, I want to show you this product right now so that you guys can actually see that there is one product from this brand that actually does what it claims, and that is... So guys, I was talking about this Garnier Light Complete Yogurt Night Cream. So this is the name of the product, and it comes in a container like so, and the net content on this bottle of this product is 40 grams exactly, and that is sufficient for you to use for about 5 to 6 months. And the best thing is that this is the cheapest skincare product that I have in my kit, and that is how it looks from the inside. I still have a lot of cream left in this, and it's a huge bottle. It's self-sufficient for one person to use throughout, because I know that pimples are something that you just cannot avoid, how much you try to keep yourself healthy or drink lots of water or follow a very healthy regime. I know pimples are something that just breaks out of your skin, and that is majorly because of the sebum that our skin keeps on producing simultaneously, and which is why people have so much acne marks, they have so much of pus kind of pimples, they have so much cysts on their face. And especially for girls out there who are suffering from the problem of PCOD or PCOS, they also have a lot of pimple marks on their face and acne marks that I'm sure would be very difficult for them to overcome, because no matter how much one claims to be confident, they always feel little bit insecure inside, that how will they even like put on any makeup or hide those acne marks or pimple marks, because they are actually very rigid guys. So now I would be talking about the ingredients of this product that I did my research on, because I really want you guys to know what are the ingredients that are actually working on the skin and removing and fading the pimple marks, because I'm sure everybody has pimple marks on their face. Although there are a few pimple marks like somewhere here or there on my face, like there is one right here, and I did not try to conceal it with any concealer so that you guys can actually see. And this is how exactly it looks right now, even after remove my makeup. And this product actually has yogurt in it, so I'm sure all of you must be aware of the benefits that yogurt really provides to your body. Obviously, eating yogurts is going to give you the best kind of skin, is going to give you the best kind of metabolism to actually overcome your weight loss, and even keeps you satiated for really long times. So just as yogurt has so many benefits for our body, it even has a lot of benefits for our skin as well. So if you guys go on Google and search what are the skin benefits of yogurt, you will find out a lot of innumerable benefits that you might get out of using yogurt on your face. So guys, yogurt, first of all, the first and foremost thing that yogurt does is actually reduces your fine lines and your wrinkles. It actually fades away your blemishes and your pimple marks. It provides you moisturization to your skin. It even tightens your skin to a length because of the collagen present in yogurts. And yogurt will also remove your dark circles, because obviously if it's fading your pimple marks, it will actually reduce and suppress darkness that you have underneath your eyes to a level. And it has various other benefit, guys. So how does yogurt really fades away blemishes or your pimple marks? And that is because of yogurt having bleaching properties in it, which actually helps you to fade away your pimple marks. And which is why this cream that Garnier has in the market actually does the thing for you. I really wanted to put this video forward for you people, so that you guys can actually try what I've been doing for so many months, and this will really do the job for you guys. All you need to do, how you need to apply it on your face is, I only apply it after the pimple has gone completely and has left a mark on my face. I just apply very little of it on the area where the pimple mark is, and I just use my ring finger, and by the warmth of my fingers I just help the product absorb into my skin so that it does the job for me. So overnight, all you need to do is apply very little of it on your pimple marks and just let it be there for the whole night, and just keep doing that for 1 week, and I guarantee you people, you are going to see results that are really shocking and will really make you love this product like I do, because this just retails for 185 rupees, guys. It's the cheapest product that you can get in the market for removing your pimple marks or acne marks. I'm sure there are a lot of products for drying out pimples. Dr. Belmer products, the Innisfree brand has a lot of products. Every huge skincare brand has lots of products which claim to do the same thing, but I cannot talk about those things that I haven't tried, because I do not spend too much on skincare. I just go on with things that I've already invested in and I've tried out. I don't want to change any kind of skincare to just make my skin break out even more. So this is one thing that I really wanted to share with you guys. I've tried it and I would not put anything forward to you guys which does not work for me. I would not want you people to buy something just for the sake of making a video and just using a product that does not do anything for me. So guys, I am just putting forward this video for all you girls or you guys out there who are really sick of their rigid pimple marks that does not fade away, because we girls can obviously hide it by concealing it, but guys cannot. So this is a video that is a plus for every girl and guy out there. I hope this works for you as it does for me, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this little skincare product really helps you out. And till then, guys, I will see you in my next video. Be safe and keep sharing love. Bye, guys.